Okay. How are you, Riri? You cannot hear me, Riri? You cannot hear me?
Kanina lang po kasi naka-cellphone ako.
But can you hear me?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. How are you? Good. Okay. So, are you now ready for our reading class today, Riri?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. All right. So now let's start reading, Riri. Can you
What
see
does
it?
that mean?
Okay, this one. This is Golly
What
Golly
is
Grew.
Golly Golly Girl
Golly
and
Grew.
Grimblowstones?
Okay, Golly Grew on Grimble Toes.
Golly Girl and
Grim.
Grimbletoes?
Okay, continue.
Prepare for Santa.
Prepare for.
Storm pala.
Okay, Golly Grew on Grimble Toes. Prepare for a storm. Okay, start reading the story.
Why is it so maliit sa akin to?
Okay, so
Maliliit.
okay, I'll make it big. Wait a moment because you're using only a
No,
phone, right?
talo, talo lang ko hindi makita.
How about that?
There. Good.
Okay.
Mm, but
Okay.
a little bit closer because my cell phone is not.
Shall I make it
I'm
more
not holding it.
shall I make it bigger? I will make it bigger?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, no problem. All right. How about
Oh,
that?
there.
Okay.
I didn't papatay. Oh,
Okay.
I
Okay, let's start.
Rainbow and Gully Grover. Driver.
Dwarves.
Dwarves. Dwarves. Dwarf. Di ko nga, oh, 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 ano ba dito?
Who?
Yung deep the forest bottom were small with bright eyes. Young Balto had a long white beard. Golly Girl had two long white bright
Braids.
braids. braids. The two had lived together for more years than people could want, and they did everything to oh,
And
and walang end.
okay, here. And
Sinabi ko na po yan.
yes po. Can you see
They
it?
did everything together. One dark bluster
Mm,
Terry. Big Goldie Girl was stalking the fire when Grimbletos came in from work in the garden. The leaves
Here.
and horse flowers that will
Okay, continue. Okay, this one. Exclaimed.
exclaim, there's a dozy of a storm coming. It's going to blow part of a day. Colleague looked up from the fire and hindi ko makita.
And you cannot see it?
It's true.
Shook. Very
True
good.
to the weather. Are you sure that poked? Hindi ko naman kita.
Okay, wait a moment, Riri.
Wait,
I will try
ko
to make it
naman.
bigger. Okay,
Hindi ko,
how about that?
no.
Okay, here Grimbletoes.
Grimbletos was known to exaggerate
Correct.
a bit when it came to the weather. Are you sure? She poked the fire again and watched the flames dance. Remember the last time.
Okay. Grimbletoes.
Grimbletos tugged on his beard and looked up at the ceiling. Well, maybe I was a little bit wrong last time, but I'm not this time. This time I'm sure it's going to be a bad storm. Well, then I guess we'd best prepare, Gollywog replied. Are the tools put away? Grimbletos opened the front door and looked around the porch. He didn't see any tools. He ran out to the shed and tugged on the door. It was closed up tightly.
Okay.
Grimbletos placed the milled twist at the beer and tugged at his hair. As Grimbletos hurried back to the cabin, he pushed the door shut with a bang. All the tools are put away. Are all the windows bolted? Gollywog asked. Grimbletos walked to each window of the cabin and checked the windows. One was bolted.
Okay, one was bolted. How do you read this? Tightly, tightly.
Tightly,
Yes po. But
tightly. Tightly.
yeah, continue please here.
But oops. Ano ba tita?
But the other
But the other two were open to let in the summer breeze. Grimble toes closed them.
okay.
But at how the windows are bolted. Gulliver thought for a moment her fire was burning nicely, and all the ingredients she needed for dinner were laid out on the table. Is the water bucket filled? Gulliver asked. Toes checked the water bucket. It was only half filled. I'll go fill the bucket, he said. Grimbletoes grabbed the bucket and hurried out to the creek
Hurry.
behind the house. The wind blew the trees thunder. Where are we now?
Okay. Okay, here. Thunder.
Thunder? Where?
Here. At the
Oh,
top. Thunder.
boomed. Light wars for across the sky. Grimbotoes knew he had to hurry. It wasn't safe outside. Grimbotoes filled the bucket and put back to the house. Grimbotoes stepped in onto porch just with the rain began to fall. It beat against the leaves. It plowed the ground into bunch against the roof. Grimboto's heart raced. He cried. The bucket inside.
Here,
Grimbotoes.
here. The bucket.
Bakit nasa alalim?
The
The
bucket
bucket?
is
Bakit asa ganito, asa baba, tapos ito?
yeah. It is
The
the
bucket is full.
okay. Next page. Oh, all right.
Gulliver smiled, thank you. Grimbletoes, she looked out the window as the thunder boomed. The lightning flashed again. Less than a minute later, the sun broke through the clouds and the rain stopped. The wind stopped. It was beautiful outside. Gulliver turned to Grimbletoes and winked. Yep, that was a really bad storm. Grimbletoes looked out the window. Look, don't believe and horse flowers, he said. It got me again. Polygram looked up from the soup pot and laughed.
Okay. All right. So did you understand the story that you were
Yeah,
reading? Yeah. Okay. Question number 1. Why is Grimbletoes worried? Why is he worried?
because kita po.
Because
Ako nakikita.
hello po.
Wala pa ako nakikita.
What happened?
Hindi ko po alam pa.
Ayan. Do you see it now?
Oops. That. Kita
Okay.
ko na po.
So why was Grimbletoe um worried really? Because
Because the storm was bad.
okay, there was a bad storm coming. Okay. So okay, now let's read one more story. All right. Start with the title, please.
The sorrow of wise woman. Anna.
Hannah. Hannah May.
Anna May loves crunchy peanuts. She ate them fresh out of the shell when she moved to Suit, Suit,
South Carolina.
South Carolina. She brought a snack of peanuts with her. She planted them carefully in the dirty soil and watered them every day. The other children laughed at Hannah. May, do you think you are a farmer? What are you trying to grow anyway?
Okay.
Hannah May smiled and continued watering her plants and pulled
Weeds.
weeds in the fell. She filled 6 snacks with her peanut prop. The other children were curious. What are those funny looking things? Are they beans? Can you eat them? Hannah May cracked open one of the dusty brown shell and giving each child one nut. Wow, the children said. This tastes much better than Mama.
Much
What
better
is
than Lima.
Mama? What are they? Peanuts, Hannah May said. They are my favorite too.
And
And they're they're good for you too.
okay.
She she gave the 6 snacks of peanuts to her mother, who was shocked by how many peanuts Hannah had grown. Her mother said, maybe one day you will be a peanut farmer. My wise little Hannah May. Every April, Hannah May planted more peanuts. Her crops grew and grew. Hannah May sold some of her snacks of peanuts to the adults. Some of the adults, the community. Could our children also grow peanuts? They asked. Hannah May struggled. If they want to work hard, it is possible. He was a very wise child. But the other children did not want to work hard. They want to play tag. They want to play hide and seek. They and swim in the river. They did not want to pull the weeds and and lug heavy buckets of water from the river. Their peanut plants did not survive. They turned brown and died. Hannah May continued selling her snacks of peanuts. She started crushing the peanuts, making them into peanut butter. Her friends loved her peanut butter.
Okay. Next. Oh.
To the next one. Atong kabila.
Po.
Atong kabila po.
Yes po. Ibang page na po ito. Wait.
One day, Mother gave Hannah May a delicious piece of fruit. It is a peach, Mother said, licking the juice from her chin. Hannah May noticed the peach had a giant pit in the middle of it. Hannah exclaimed, examined the pit closely. In some ways, it looked like a giant peanut. Hannah became
Convinced? Yes.
convinced that the pit was a seed. She
Collected?
collected all the pits that she could and plant them. Hannah had to lug many buckets of water from the river every day. but soon her speech began to grow in the South
South Carolina.
Carolina.
Yes. Okay. Sunshine.
Sunshine. That tree will be
The trees grew and grew until
until she had a whole orchard of peach trees. Finally, the after.
Hmm.
Where are we?
Wait.
Several years her peach tree began to produce produce delicious fruits. By then Hannah's friends had grown up, but they all remembered those first peanuts that Hannah had given them. It was a story they often told while they were leaning up at Hannah May Wise Woman Farm Market to buy peanut and peanuts and peanut butter.
Very good. Okay. So how do you read this word, Riri?
Lining up.
Lining up. Line. Lining up. Very good. How about this, please?
Remembered.
Remembered. All right. Produce. Very good. Okay. Now let's find another one. Okay. How do you read this again?
South Carolina.
South Carolina. South Carolina. It's a place.
Right? Hindi yun tunay.
Okay, how about
South
this?
America yun eh.
South America yun. Okay. This one. Licking. Okay, this one. Again, examine. Examined. Okay, how about this?
Convinced.
Very good. Okay. Let's Okay, this is quite hard because, I'll keep on scrolling. All right. How about that? Continued. Okay. It's very good. I think that's all for this story. Okay, how this one? Just a simple word.
Snap.
No, we don't see letter N in them. Sacks. Very good. Sacks. All right. Now let's try going back here on the first one. Let's just review some. Okay. How about this one? How do you read that word, Riri? Hello? All right. So since it's already time, Riri, another teacher will call you anytime. So bye-bye. See you tomorrow, Riri. Thank you so much.
Bye.
And you did a very good job for reading two long stories. Okay. Today. Bye-bye.